What's going on, you guys? It is RJ. We are back again with some more RANIA. So this time we are checking out Demonstrate, Beep Beep Beep, Start a Fire, Up, and Breathe Heavy, which I think are their last music videos. Things get a little dicey when you start playing with 5 songs in one video, so fingers crossed that there's no blocking, but let's go. So we're going to start with Demonstrate. If I'm not mistaken, I believe you guys wrote, what am I saying? I believe you guys typed in the comments, someone typed in the comments about this song and Alex also being in the song. Alex is the black member of the group and she is not in the music video, but is in the song, but she only appears in the live stage for it, which is very strange. And I know you guys were asking me to check that one out. However, music show performances are a quick way to receive a copyright strike. Having copyright blocking is one thing, but a strike on the channel is a bit detrimental. So I don't really play around with that. So if I end up checking it out, if anything, it'll be posted like for free to watch on Patreon. But I don't know about that over here because I definitely did see the thumbnail for it. Also, it says rap version. I didn't see another version. So I'm gonna assume this is the one, but let's go.
Dripping hot honey, bossed up, now I'm getting non-stop money.
I just again wasn't ready. Wait, the HD of it all. Wow. Vocals. Wow, she's so pretty. Wow. Oh, that transition. Oh. Okay, this post-chorus. Also the vocals. I like this production though. The dancers. Oh, the vocals. I really like this beat. Wow. The get up to the heels is crazy. What? Is that like a Twizzler? Oh, is this her? Ooh. Love a snap. Wow. 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 I'm here for the attitude and the hair flipping. Ad-libs. Woo. The lip bite. Okay, outro. Also that choreo with the clapping. Love that. Ooh, the pose. Also, our shoes are an interesting choice. I don't think I've seen that before. Like neon highlight color shoes. I mean, it does go with the outfits, so that is interesting. But see, hearing this now, seeing it say rap version, it makes me wonder what the non-rap version is. Is it just without Alex's rap? I'm assuming that was her, right? The section where it was kind of showing each member, but no one was actually doing the mouthing for that section. But yeah, this song had a real sassy vibe. Loved the attitude and the energy. Definitely one I would listen to again, for sure. I also think these particular set of girls did an amazing job in this song as well. I don't know who they are, but good job. Okay, up next we have Beep Beep Beep. So we have Pop Pop Pop, now Beep Beep Beep. Let's go. Different set. So bright. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Wow. Interesting choice. Is this supposed to sound like this? It's so muffled and filtered. No, it's got to be the video. Why are all this girl's parts like this? So weird. I'm actually surprised how much I like this song. I can hear her now. I like her though. Who is she? We have the key change and the walk. For some reason, she makes me think of Sorn. And we had a silhouette. Okay, that was really interesting. You know, it's these types of songs. This makes me think of that song from Hello Venus that people were surprised I did not enjoy. The Ill, was that what it was called? Ill? I don't know. Because like the type of music that it is just not my genre, to be honest. But there was something else happening in here that I was kind of like into, and I don't know what it was, but like it was maybe because there's like extra, I don't know, whoever the producers were, I think they added enough in it that it didn't just sound so common of what was coming out during the height of EDM type tracks, you know what I mean? But also this girl over here, the blonde, I don't know what was going on with this section with her parts in the pre-chorus. I don't know if that was just this video, because in the chorus there were also parts that were like not the main part of the chorus, kind of ad-libby, but they also had that same filter on it. So I don't know. I don't know if that was on purpose or not, but I'll probably have to like see if I can search the song by itself and see if that was the case. I just thought it was a really interesting decision to make. I don't know. A little bizarre. Whoa, I thought that was Gio for a second. The short hair girl. I just happened to look over and I'm like, wait a minute. Gio, what are you doing here? You know I love the silhouettes. We got to keep those going. And another set of 5 different girls again. So sure, y'all told me it's best to just focus on the music, so I will do just that. Okay, next up we have Start a Fire. Let's go. Is that like an edible necklace? Is that the Brazilian girl? She's stunning. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, who's doing the ad libs? It's her. The tone, isn't it? I love this look. I like this. I love this. Yes. Little hip shimmy.
Crazy, I got some popular policy. It's been obvious lately that your stock has been dropping, and I apologize for saying your apologies flopping. The population is flocking, blocking and jocking, and I'm in it down like a concoction. I won't sweat on my edges, trying to put out no fires.
Sorry.
No whips, I don't slash no tires. Boy, I ain't no snitch. I don't wear no wires. I'm the truth. So how I'm gonna be down with a liar? Huh? Burn, burn, baby, burn.
Come back.
Burn, burn, baby, burn. 끝날 때가 됐어. Burn, burn, baby, burn. 제발 나 좀 놔줘. Burn, burn, burn. Don't start a fire, baby. 다치지 마라.
You know what? That's how you do a bridge. Love a long outro. Yeah, that's my favorite one. 6th. That's my favorite song we've listened to from them so far. That was the best one. We have to return to this woman right here real quick.
Calling and sending blossom got all my optimal options looking awfully awesome. I'm also mommy, I made it. Looking poppy, I'm popping. My biology
Who is
crazy. I got
she?
some popular policy. It's been obvious lately that your stock has been dropping, and I apologize for saying your apologies flopping. The population is flocking, blocking and jocking, and I'm in it down like a concoction. I won't sweat on my edges, trying to put out no fires. I don't scratch no I'm the truth. So how I'm gonna be down with a liar? Huh? Burn, burn, baby, burn.
Into this bridge though.
Burn, burn, baby, burn. 끝날 때가 됐어. Burn, burn, baby, burn. 제발 나 좀 놔줘. Burn, burn, burn. Don't start the fire, baby. 거치지 마라.
That's a bridge. Okay. Bad part, this pause. Wow. That was such a good song. I liked honestly everything about that one. That was just so something I feel like I will listen to today. I love the strength in their vocals. Again, I don't know who the one that I pointed out was for the ad-lib parts and maybe the post-chorus of the song. Also this whole ending. Maybe she was the same one that did that note in the bridge. I'm not sure. I am assuming that girl, the rapper girl, was the Brazilian girl that I read about in the profile. I think maybe her name starts with an L. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, she did fantastic. That was, yeah, I have nothing but good things to say about this one. This one will 100% be going on my playlist. Okay, next up we have Up. Let's go.
우리와 갈 때까지 가.
Summer vibe.
Follow me, yeah. 시간이 됐으니 걱정은 접어둘래. 이제 시작하지. 아침이 밝아올 때까지 다 미쳐볼래. 어때? 하. 우리는 갈 때까지 가. 원하는 것을
Oh, cool.
말해봐. 내 눈을
It's a cool sound effect.
두려워하지 마. 크게 소리쳐봐. 지금 이 순간이 우리의 파리. 지금 이 노래가 끝날 때까지
Wow.
흔들어봐. All of my love for my life. 흔들어봐. All of my love for my life. 흔들어봐. All of my
Oh, those things are fun.
소리쳐봐.
You can immediately tell when this song came out.
지금 내 목소리에 네 몸이 떨리니 이제 나의 몸짓에 시선이 꽂히니 그동안 모든 게 뻔했니 너는 날 원해 우리와 갈 때까지 가
Oh.
원하는 것을 말해봐
They definitely got the setting right for this song. Ass. Ooh. Shooting this at a water park was very smart. Like the whole party setting. Dang. Oh. Wait, this girl on the second girl on the left here, like she's, usually when this pose is being done, you're kind of doing it sideways, but her entire lower body is facing the opposite direction and she's like twisted in such a way it looks uncomfortable, but it was just very noticeable right away. Anyways, it's interesting listening to this song because I didn't mind this, which is like the complete opposite of what I just said a couple songs ago to, what was the second song called? beep, beep, beep. But you know what? I don't know what it was about this one. I initially, when it started, I was like, oh, here we go. This is going to be one of those songs. And it was, but there was, I don't know. Maybe this made me think of some of the songs that I actually did enjoy coming out of the 2010s when a lot of songs were so EDM and this, you know, those types of choruses. Cause those were very much like lost on me, but there were some diamonds in the rough that actually stuck with me. And maybe this is kind of making me think of that. And so I guess I was kind of getting into it, but it's not a song I listen to very often. But like I said, the music video setting was definitely accurate. Like if I was there, yeah, I would 100% listen to this. But on the regular, not really. Okay, last up we have Breathe Heavy. Let's go. Black and white.
You make me breathe heavy.
Oh.
I get so lightheaded when you make me breathe heavy.
I'm already liking the dance of this though. And also that. Not where I thought this was going, musically. Ooh, I love a slow-mo hair fling.
너무 달콤해서 참을 수 없어. So hot. 그런 표정은 짓지 마. 너무나 뜨거워서 녹을 것 같아. 견딜 수 없어 anymore. 네가 나 숨가쁘게 만들어. You make me breathe heavy. I get so lightheaded.
I like the way they drag that out. Pretty.
부드러운 네 손끝에 이대로 내 모든 거 맡기고 싶어.
I like the talking parts.
네 눈빛에 움직이지 못해 iron control. 견딜 수
Moaning.
없어 anymore. 네가 나
The bass as well. Oh.
You make me breathe heavy. I get so lightheaded when you make me breathe heavy. Baby, breathe heavy.
Ooh.
위험해 점점 더 빠져들어 your eyes. 자꾸 내 끌어당겨 your lips. 내게 중독돼버린 날 통제할 수 없어.
The vocal in the background.
내 마음에 번져버린 happiness. 너밖에 보이지 않아 내 마음은 널 원해.
This is the girl from Beep Beep Beep, right? Oh! I wasn't ready for her to do that. Don't end yet. Do the chorus one more time. No. They could have done it one more time. That was so good. That was so good. You know, it's interesting about this one as well. The post-chorus section, I wasn't sure how I felt about that. Because it felt so, I don't know, it didn't feel like it didn't belong completely, but it did take me slightly out of the vibe the actual chorus gives. When they start doing like the instrumental section, I was like, oh, well, I could see this growing on me because the majority of the song is so good. So I don't even really mind it. But this girl, again, this is the same girl from Beep Beep Beep, right? Isn't this the girl that I was pointing out and that she had like a filter on her voice majority of the time in that song? I wasn't prepared for her section of the song. I thought that was really cool. I liked that because it stood out to me too. And it was different in a good way to me. But yeah, between this one and Start a Fire, I think those, well, wait, Demonstrate was really good too. But I think as far as what I like the most, this one and Start a Fire are definitely my main two of this video. But I will have to check out the live stage for Demonstrate just to see her in action, Alex, and see if that, you know, what's that like? Because I think someone also said she was the first Black K-pop idol. And I also wonder how long she promoted with this group. Like, why isn't she in any of the other music videos? Was it like, I don't know, the whole lineup and the whole thing, the way that this entire group is set up is so strange to me because it's not typical. So I don't know what to think or do. So in the end, it was all still a really awesome experience. But yeah, you guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me here, and I will see you on the next video. Later.